Welcome to Keyboard Lessons with Joyce. Today we are looking at notes on white keys and black keys explained. A keyboard or piano is made up of two types of keys, white keys and black keys. Understanding these keys is one of the first steps in learning how to play the keyboard. White keys. The white keys are the main keys on the keyboard. They are named using the first 7 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, and F. After G, the pattern repeats again: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This repetition continues across the entire keyboard. How white keys are arranged. The white keys are arranged in order. White key notes: A, B, C, D, E, and F. E, F, G. Then the pattern starts again. Example: A, 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 B, C, D, E, F, G. Important white keys beginners should know is C. That is the important white key a beginner should know, because most of the beginners lessons are written on C. C is very important because many beginners lessons starts from C. You can find C by locating a group of two black keys. You can find C by locating a group of two black keys. That was our last lesson. So in case you've not watched lesson 3, go back to the channel and click on lesson 3 and watch till the end so that you have a better understanding of this lesson 4. So let's continue. You can find C by locating a group of two black keys. The white key directly before the two black keys is called C. The black key directly before the two black keys is C. This is C. Middle C. Middle C is the C note near the center of the keyboard. This is the center of the keyboard. So this is the middle C. In our lesson 1, we learned about middle C, just like I said. That is the topic of our lesson 1. In case you have not watched lesson 1, go to the channel and watch the lesson. Middle C helps beginners position their hands correctly, start simple songs, understand note movement. Black keys. The black keys are shorter and raised above the white keys. They are arranged in repeating patterns of 2 black keys and 3 black keys. These groups helps us identify notes quickly. Names of black keys. Black keys have 2 possible names because they can be sharp notes, flat notes. Example: the black key between C and D. The black key between C and D can be called C sharp or D flat. Both names refers to the same black key. Both names refer to the same black key. This key is called C sharp or D flat. What is a sharp? A sharp means moving one step higher to the next key. Moving one step higher to the next key. So C, this C is C sharp, or this D is D flat. What is flat? A flat means moving one step lower to the previous key. Moving one step lower to the previous key. That shows that when you were at D key, when you come this way, that is D flat. Example: D flat, E flat. This is D flat, and this is E flat, E flat, D flat. Relationship between white and black keys. The black keys are found between many white keys. The black keys are found between many black keys. They are found between many black keys. Example, between C and D, we have C sharp or D flat. Then between D and E, we have D sharp or E flat. Then between F and G, between F, this is F, between F and G, we have F sharp or G flat. However, notice there is no black key between B and C. Look at. There is no black key. This is B, this is C. There is no black key between these two notes. And there is no black key between E and F. Look at E here. Look at F here. There is no black key between these two notes. This is very important in music theory. Easy memory tips. White keys. Think of white keys as the main alphabet notes. Think of it as white keys as the main alphabet notes. Black keys. Think of black keys as helper notes between white keys. I hope you are following the lesson. Then pattern tips. 2 black keys helps you find C. Then 3 black keys helps you find F. While learning the keys is important, knowing the white and black keys helps you identify notes faster, read music easily, play songs correctly, understand scales and chords, build confidence on the keyboard. Without learning the key properly, playing music becomes difficult. If you do not learn this note very properly, playing music becomes very difficult. Simple practice exercise. Simple practice exercise. Find all the groups of 2 black keys. Locate every C note. Find all the groups of 3 black keys. Locate every F note. Say the white notes names aloud. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Repeat until you can identify them quickly. Just like this. This is C. This is D. If this is C, then this means this is A. If this is C, then this is B, and this is A. So this is A. A is in between the second and the third key, black key on the group of 3 keys. That is A. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C again. So that is how to identify. So you must say the white keys names aloud. A, B, until you repeat until you can identify them quickly. So that is how to build confidence on this keyboard. Once you can master your notes, it is very, very easy for you to learn. There are some people that just want to learn keyboard, they forget about this. Is like the rudiment of keyboard. There is no how you can play this keyboard without having this foundation. This is the foundation. It's not about jumping to the practice. You must learn these basics so that once you start, it will be very, very easy for you to identify your note and click, and you'll be able to follow the timing of any song. Quick revision. Topic: white keys and black keys explained. Explanation: white keys, natural musical notes. Black keys, sharp and flat notes. Group of 2 black keys, helps find C. Group of three black keys helps find F. Sharps move higher, flat moves lower. Final note: the keyboard is built on pattern. The more you practice identifying white notes and black keys, the faster you will recognize notes without thinking too hard. This foundation is very, very important for every keyboard player. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.